Welcome. In front of me is a INFINIX Zero 40, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings and then scroll all the way down to System, scroll down again and select Reset Phone, and then erase all data. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which includes, most importantly, things like music, photos, and the user data. If you have anything of that sort that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. Now, assuming you have already made a copy or you just simply don't want to, you can then select Erase All Data and do that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting your device. This process will take about a minute or two, give or take, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.